What's the meaning of cleavage? Cleavage. Cleavage.
Cleavage. Cleavage. Cleavage can have different meanings depending on the context. In geology, it refers to the splitting of a mineral along definite planes of weakness. In biology, it refers to the division of cells during cell division. However, in colloquial language, cleavage is often used to describe the visible separation between a woman's breasts. This is typically considered a sexually suggestive feature. Overall, depending on the context, cleavage can refer to physical or biological division or separation.